If 2000 by 2x equals to 10, then what is root x? See, 2000 by 2x equals to 10. Okay, 2000 times 1000 times, so 1000 by x equals to 10. Okay, see now carefully, x transpose left side, right side x, so this 10 transpose left side divided by x, divided by 10, so 1000 by 10 equals to x, so 10 ones are 10, 2 zeros, so 100 equals to x, but I want root x, so square root of x equals to square root of 100. Square root of 100 value how much? 10. If a and b are positive numbers in the equation below, what is the value of a by b? The equation is cube root of 8 power 2a equals to 2 power 2b plus 5. See the given equation, cube root of 8 power 2a equals to 2 power 2a by 5. Okay. See, cube root of 8 first. Cube root of 8. So cube root of 8 can be written as 8 power 1 by 3. 8. 2 how many times? 4 times. 2 times. So 2 times or 2 4. 4 times or 2 is 8. So this is 2 power 3. Power 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. So 1. 2 power 1. 2 power 1 value 2. So finally cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 value how much? 2. 2 power 2a equals to 2 power 2b. This is 2b. 2b by 5. Now see, a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. So a power m equals to a power n. So 2a equals to 2b by 5. Okay. So 2a, 2b transpose after divided by 2. 2b. Here nothing is there, means 1. 1 by 5. 2 get cancelled. A by b equals to 1 by 5. If x and y are positive integers, then 2x minus 4y equals to 3. Find 16 power x by 256 power y. Okay. See the given points given. 2x minus 4y equals to 3. Now we will find 16 power x over 256 power y. Okay, observe that we know that 16 can be written as 4 square power x. Okay, next 256. 4 6 are 24, 1 balance, 1 6 16, 4 4 are 16. Again 4 16 times, 4 times. So 256 can be written as 4 power 4 power y. Okay, see next, a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n. What is the formula? A power mn. Observe that this is of the form a power m whole power n. So a power mn. So 4 power 2x by a power m whole power n. So a power mn. 4 power 4 power y. So 4 power 4y. Okay, next. One more formula. A power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. So 4 power 2x by 4 power 4y equals to 4 power a power n by a power n. A power m minus n. 4 power 2x minus 4y. But given 4 power 2x minus 4 power 2x minus 4y is given. What is the value of this one? 3. So 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 times of 4, 16. 16 times of 4, 64. If x power a square by x power b square equals to x power 16 and x greater than 1. And a plus b equals to 2. What is the value of a minus b? Okay. So given a plus b is 2. Okay. And one more condition is there. X power a square by x power b square equals to x power 16. Now we will find the value of a plus b. See this formula. A power m by a power n. What is the formula of a power m by a power n? A power m minus n. So this is of the form a power m by a power n. So a power, so x power, a power, this is m, n. M minus n equals to x power 16. See now, a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. So now see, a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. So a square minus b square equals to 16. M equals to n. So a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b times a minus b equals to 16. But given a plus b is 2. A plus b is 2. So this is 2 given. So 2 times of a minus b equals to 16. So a minus b equals to 16. 2 transpose to right side divided by 2. 2 how many times? 8 times. So a minus b equals to 8. If x equals to 3 power 3, then what is x power x? See, x equals to 3 power 3. X power x. So what is the value of x? 3 power 3. Power, again 3 power 3. So that equals to 3 power 3. 3 cube, 3 times 3 times 3. That equals to 3 power 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. So a power m whole power n equals to a power mn. So this is of the form a power m whole power n. So a power m times n. That equals to 3 power 3 times of 27, 81. So the option is D. Find the value of the expression 64 x power 12 1 by 6. See, 64 x power 12 whole power 1 by 6. So first, what is the formula of AB whole power m? AB whole power m is a power m times b power m. So now this is of the form AB whole power m. AB whole power m. AB m. Okay, AB whole power m. What is the formula of AB whole power m? A power m times b power m. So 64 power 1 by 6 times x power 12 power 1 by 6. See, 64. How to write 64 in powers of 2? So 64. 2 32 times. 2 16 times. 2 8 times. 2 4 times. 2 2 times. 2 1 time. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 2 is 64. So 64 can be written as 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 power 6. Power 1 by 6. Here x power 12 whole power 1 by 6. Now see one more formula. A power m whole power n. A power m whole power n. What is the formula of a power m whole power n? A power mn. A power mn. So this is of the form a power m whole power n. So a power m times n. So this is also a power m whole power n. So a power m times n. So 6 6 get cancelled. 6 how many times? 2 times. So 2 power 1 times x power 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 power 1 is 2 x square. In the following figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Find the area of shaded region. Find this part, area of the shaded region. Okay. First, find the area of this part. That means quadrant, 1/4 of the circle. So what is the area of the circle? What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So here what is the part? 1/4 part of the circle. So say it is OAB. OAB is 1/4 part of the circle. First one. What is given? Radius. Radius is given. Radius equals to 8. Radius equals to 8 units. So area of the circle. Area of circle. What is the formula? Pi r square. So that equals to pi r value 8 square. So pi 8 square value is 64. So 64 pi. Observe that OAB. OAB is the 1/4 of the total circle. OAB is the 1/4 of this total circle. So area of quadrant OAB equals to 1/4 of 64 pi. That means 4 16 times. So 16 pi. This is total 16 pi. Okay. Now find this part. Okay. Okay. Now see. Subtract from OAB to this triangle. OAB triangle. So subtract from the total quadrant to OAB triangle. So area of area of shaded region equals to area of quadrant minus area of triangle OAB. So area of triangle. Okay. I got area of the quadrant is 16 pi. Minus what is area of the triangle? Half base times height. So 16 pi. 16 pi minus half. This is radius. OB is radius. OA also radius. This is also 8. Base times height. So 2 how many times? 4 times. So 16 pi minus 1 times of 8? 8. 8 4 is 32. Therefore, the area of the shaded region is 16 pi minus 32. In the figure, the shaded region is a square. See, inscribed a triangle is there. In the triangle, a square is there. So, that is the shaded part. The shaded region is a square with an area of 12 square units. This is the area of 12 square units. Inscribed inside equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. What is the perimeter of triangle ABC? Okay. First, area of the square is given. What is the area of the square? Area of square is 12 square units. 12 square units. Okay. Area of the square formula side square. Side square equals to 12. Side square equals to 12. So side equals to square root of 12. Square root of 12. So square root of 12 can be written as square root of 4 times of 3. 4 times of 3. Square root of 4 value 2. 2 root 3. This is side of the square. Okay. Now we will find the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle. So this is an equilateral triangle. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side. First, now we will find the side of the equilateral triangle. So this is side is given 2 root 3. This is 2 root 3. Okay. This is also 2 root 3. So all sides are equal in a square. 2 root 3. Okay. So ABC. Say the point is say D. This is E. Okay. Now first find the value of BC. Any value, any side. So let us take this is A. See. First find this value. Okay. What is the type of triangle? This one. What is the type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means this is the angle 60. See this triangle. So ED B. This is the angle 60. So this is the value 2 root 3. ED value 2 root 3. Okay. So this is the side. Side is A. Side is A. Okay. Right angle. Square means all angles are right angles. So right angle. Okay. Next one. See, from the triangle EBD. From triangle BED or EBD. BED. Okay. This is a 16. This is a 16. See, this is 60 opposite side. ED is the 60 opposite side. So BD is the adjacent side. What is the relation between opposite and adjacent? Relation between opposite and adjacent is tan theta or cot theta. From triangle BED, tan 60. Tan 60 equals to side opposite to 60. That means DE by side adjacent to 60. BD. Okay. Tan 60 value, how much tan 60 value? Root 3. Root 3 equals to DE value, how much? 2 root 3. 2 root 3 by BD. Okay. Root 3 1 times. So BD transpose to left side. 1 times of BD equals to 2. Therefore, BD equals to 2. Okay. This is 2. This is also A only. This is also A. So side of this square. Side of the triangle. Say side of the triangle BC. Side of triangle BC equals to BD plus, say this point is okay, BC, A plus 2 root 3 plus A. A plus 2 root 3 plus A. A value how much? Okay. A value is BD. BD is nothing but A. Okay. So A plus A is 2A plus 2 root 3. So 2 A value. This is the A only. BD is nothing but A. So 2 times of 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Final conclusion. So now we will find perimeter. Perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC. Which type of triangle this one? Equilateral triangle. What is the area of the what is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? 3 times of side. So 3 times of side. 3 times of your side is there. What is the side? 4 plus 2 root 3. 4 plus 2 root 3. Now see, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Plus 3 2s are 6. Root 3 units.